How to design a blog archive page in Squarespace. So to do that, let's head over right here to our website and then go right here to our pages. Now we have in here this blog. So for example, we can just hover to this one and then let's click onto this plus icon. And then once you have done that, it will show up this part right here. So it will actually prompt you to edit out this particular page and add in here a new blog. So if you want, you can add in here a blog overview option. Now, what you can do is you can head over and click onto this settings icon and you can see that for this one, head over to the advanced and click on this manage categories. And then for this one, you can add a new category. So for this one, just put in here archive in order to add a particular category. If you want to add the category instead, you can head over and then look for that blog content. Like for example, we have in here this blog post too. Just click on the three dots, click on settings. And then from in there, just scroll down and then you can see these options. Head over it here and go to the categories and then add it and to this category of archive. Now click on this check in order to add it to that and it will be archived from there. So that's how I design a blog archive page in Squarespace. Hope we helped.